Just look at this thing. It looks like a baby Mercedes G-Wagon crossed with a Ford Bronco. But with the right modifications, this GWM Tank 300 has been transformed into a serious off-road weapon. If you still think Chinese 4x4s are only meant for mall parking lots, this extreme build is about to completely change your mind. Let's break down exactly what went into this monster. Alright, out of the box, the Tank 300 is already pretty capable with its ladder frame chassis. But to turn it into a real trail conqueror, the first thing this build changed was the stance. It's running a premium 2-inch lift kit with heavy-duty Dobinson's IMS shocks that completely eliminates the factory body roll and dramatically improves ground clearance for rubber. The stock highway tires are gone, replaced by aggressive Falcon Wild Peak mud terrain tires wrapped around custom matte black alloys. This setup gives the truck an incredibly aggressive footprint and massive grip for sand, rock crawling, or deep mud. Moving to the front, the entire face has been completely redesigned. The factory plastic bumper was swapped out for a heavy-duty black Venom steel bull bar, complete with built-in recovery hooks and a hidden winch mount. Then you have this custom carbon fiber bulge hood, which adds a super aggressive muscular layer to the front end. They've also added a custom dot matrix grille that makes the front look wider and more premium. To protect the paint from flying rocks and debris on narrow jungle trails, the owner bolted on a set of ultra-wide, textured fender flares. If you look up top, the utility on this build is insane. It features a lightweight aluminum low-profile roof rack platform perfect for carrying recovery boards, extra fuel, or a rooftop tent. Bolted to the side of the roof structure is a sleek modular folding ladder for easy access. And check this out at the back. Instead of a standard spare wheel cover, they installed an aluminum magnesium gearbox with a password lock to keep expensive tools secure. There's also a high-clearance snorkel mounted to the A-pillar, pushing the wading depth way past the standard 700 millimeters. What makes modifying the Tank 300 so rewarding is how well the aftermarket parts work with the built-in factory tech. Under the hood, the 2.0-liter turbo engine pumps out 380 Newton-meters of torque, which handles the extra weight of the steel armor effortlessly. When you combine this lifted suspension with the factory front and rear differential locks, plus features like tank turn and crawl control, you get a machine that can crawl out of almost anything inside. The luxury cockpit remains intact, giving you Napa leather comfort while the exterior takes a beating. When you total it all up, adding roughly $5,000 to $8,000 in quality modifications turns an already good SUV into a world-class overland rig. It gives you the capability of a modified Jeep Wrangler or Land Cruiser Prado, but at a fraction of the entry price. So, what do you think of this setup? Is the modified Tank 300 the best value 4x4 build right now? Drop a comment below. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next trail.